Hello learners! Welcome to my math tutorial video. This is Teacher Noel at handang tumulong sa inyo sa mga lesson about math. At sa video ito, pag-aralan natin at kung paano mag-subtract ng similar fraction. At kung gusto mong matutunan ang lahat, tapusin mo ang video ito hanggang dulo. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at click ang bell button para updated ka sa lahat ng video na gagawin ko. Ang una nating pag-aralan ay tungkol sa subtracting simple similar fraction. So, paano nga ba sinusolve or sinusubtract ang simple similar fraction? Una, if the denominator is the same, subtract the numerator. Isusubtract po natin yung sa taas. Then, copy the denominator. If your answer is reduced to the lowest term, you are going to reduce to the lowest term if possible. Okay, learners, I have an example. Number 1. 413 minus 113. Again, 413 minus 1 over 13. So, the denominator po ay magkakatulad. Ang gagawin natin, i-minus lang natin yung numerator. 4 minus 1, answer is 3. Then, kopyahin po natin yung denominator. So, yung answer is 3 over 13. Sunod po, 15 over 17 minus 1 over 17. Again, 15 minus 1, answer 14. Then, copy the denominator 17. Again, our answer is 14 over 17. And question 15 over 17 minus 1 over 17, answer 14 minus 17. Another examples. 8 minus 12, or 8 over 12 minus 6 over 12. Again, 8 over 12 minus 6 over 12. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Then copy the denominator 12. So, yung napapansin nyo, ang 2 at saka yung 12 ay pwede pa nating i-reduce sa lowest term sa pamagitan ng tinatawag na common factor o yung kanyang GCF. So, ano po ba yung common factor ng 2 at saka ng 12? Or yung tinatawag nating GCF or GCF. So, the GCF of 12 and 2 or 2 and 12 is 2. So, sa common factor na to, i-divide po natin sila both sides. So, 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. And 12 divided by 2, answer is 6. Now, your answer is 1 over 6 or 1/6. Another examples, 12 over 15 minus 7 over 15. Minus natin yung taas or numerator. 12 minus 7, the answer is 5. Then, kopyahin natin yung ilalim, 15. So, 15 or 5 and 15, pwede pa po nating ma-reduce sa lowest term or ma-simplify sa pamagitan ng GCF na 5. 5 is the GCF of 5 and 15. So, ito po naman ulit ay ating i-divide both sides. 5 divided by 5, answer 1. Then 15 divided by 5, answer 3. So, now your answer is 1 and 1/3. Another example po. 7 over 8 minus 1 over 8. 7 minus 1, answer 6. And copy the denominator, 8. 6, 8. Pwede nating ma-reduce sa lowest term by the common factor or the GCF of 2. So, i-divide natin ulit both sides. 6 divided by 2, answer 3. And 8 divided by 2, answer 4. So, the answer is, or the final answer is 3/4. 7 minus 7 over 8 minus 1/8, answer 3/4. Another one, 10 over 12 minus 5 over 12. Subtract numerator, 10 minus 5, answer is 5. Then copy the denominator. So, 5 and 12, hindi na po natin pwedeng i-reduce sa lowest term kasi ang common factor niyan is 1. So, the final answer is 5 over 12. Ang pangalawa nating pag-aaralan ay subtracting mixed number with similar denominator. Paano nga po gagawin yun? Ito po. For example, 32, 7 over 11 minus 20, 3, 11. So, yung una po natin gagawin ay isusubtract ang numerator. So, 7 minus 3, answer 4. Then, kukopyahin lang po natin yung denominator kasi parehas po. So, the answer is 11. Then, yung kanyang whole number, subtract po natin. 32 minus 20, the answer is 12. So, our final answer is 12 and 4, 11. Again, 32, 7, 11 minus 20 and 3/10, answer 12 and 4, 11. Another examples, 13, 5/10 minus 10 and 2/10. So, ang unang gagawin, isusubtract si 5 at saka si 3, yung numerator, or 2 pala. So, 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Then, kopyahin yung denominator na 10. Then, isusubtract po natin ang whole number, 13 minus 10, the answer is 3. So, our final answer is 3 and 3/10. Again, 13 and 5/10 minus 10 and 2/10, answer 3 and 3/10. Another one, 14 and 20 over 14 minus 5 and 8/14. So, subtract natin si 20 minus 8. The answer is 12. Then, copy the denominator, 14. So, 12 and 14, reduce pa po natin sa lowest term. So, yung using the common factors na 2. So, 12, yung GCF niya is 2. I-divide natin both sides. So, 12 divided by 2, answer is 6. Then, 14 divided by 2, answer niya is 7. Then, subtract natin yung whole number, 14 minus 5, answer 9. So, our final answer is 9 and 6, 7. Again, 9 and 6, 7. Another one, 15 and 5, 15th minus 3 and 9, 15th. Again, 15th and 15th over 15 minus 3 and 9, 15. So, subtract po natin yung numerator. 15 minus 9, answer is 6. Then, copy the denominator, 15. So, yung 6 at saka 15, pwede pa po natin ulit ma-simplify yan kasi meron siyang common factors o yung tinatawag nating GCF. Ang GCF niya is 3. Okay, so yung 3, i-divide natin yan both sides. 6 divided by 3, answer is 2. Then 15 divided by 3, answer is 5. 2/5. Then subtract 15 minus 3, or the whole number na 15 minus 3, answer is 12. So write 12 here. So your final answer is 12 and 2/5. Again, final answer 12 and 2/5. I hope learners nakatulong ito para masolve nyo ang similar fraction. So, meron po akong mga activities na gagawin or gusto kong isulat nyo ang sagot nyo sa comment box. Sa muli, ito po si Teacher Noel nagsasabing, kapag gusto mong matuto, dapat bukas ang isipan, bukal sa loob, at parang masabi natin na ang math is okay. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!